Missing someone. Missing someone. Hey crafters, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. I'm going to be showing you how to transform these three notebooks. They're all A5 and they're all craft paper notebooks into the notebooks that you see on the thumbnail. And this is one that I've already DIY'd, but I did not like at all. So it's just a blank notebook that I'm going to be transforming as well. These are all gifts for all of my friends for their birthdays, because they're my best friends and I love them. And yeah, let's get into the video. Alright everyone, so it is a completely different day. I had to wrap this up and I am now filming this on another day. But these are the three notebooks that I made. This one is painted over and has the little sparkle S on there. This is one of my favorites. I love the way the K turned out. And this is a very simple basic notebook that I think could have been better, but I really love it. I like how it looks so handmade and, you know, artisan-ish. I don't know how you say that. But yeah, also I have a special announcement. As you must have seen in the title of the video, I recently hit 100 subscribers and I will be giving away this notebook. Email address, because YouTube messages are not really checked by everybody, so it would be better. You could also leave your phone number down, but I don't think that it's I don't think that it's safe for you to do that. So yeah, but I will be shipping this out. It is only in India. It is not an international giveaway because the international shipping is just too much. But yeah, I will ship it anywhere in India unless and until you have a PIN code and I can service it. So yeah, that is all for this video. I hope you like the video. Hope you like it, not only emotionally. Please share this with your friends and comment down below. Missing someone.